guys, nakabalbas, may tayo ng mga anong pang bigay sa mga nanay natin. So, nakataban. So ito guys, mga kabalbas, punta tayo doon sa pwesto ng ate ko. Mamimigay tayo doon ng mga chocolates sa mga nanay doon para sa Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day!
Ay, salamat.
Uy, galit siya sa akin. Hey, Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Hey, Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day na. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you. Ay, salamat. Salamat po.
Happy Mother's Day!
Uy, ganun talaga yun. Tapos may ano pa.
Happy Mother's Day!
Tapos I love you.
Ay, wag yun, baka sabihin nila, ano?
Salamat.
Hey, Happy Mother's Day! Okay. Happy Mother's Day. God bless you. God bless you. Hey, Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Si ate pa, mother na o hindi pa?
Mother.
Ah, mother na. Okay, bigyan nito. Happy Mother's Day po. Happy Mother's Day. Ay, sorry. Te, Happy Mother's Day, te. Yeah. Te, Happy Mother's Day, te. Te, Happy Mother's Day po. Happy Mother's Day po. Happy Mother's Day po. Madam, Happy Mother's Day.
Meron talaga. Ay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Sama kita sa vlog ko ah.
Salamat.
Yeah. Thank you din. Madam, Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Sama kita sa vlog ko ah.
Ay, ganon. Salamat.
May mga anak ka ba? May mga anak ka? Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Ikaw, She. Nanay ka na rin? Happy Mother's Day. Lapit dito. Yan. Sama ko kayo sa vlog, ha? Happy Mother's Day.
Ay, wow. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Oh, di ba? Kita mo? Oh, tapos ayaw mo lumapit. Wala ito. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Uy, namis ninyo kami.